this is my tutorial on how to bake chicken breast. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 365. So what you're going to need is chicken breast, olive oil, seasoning. I'll be using Mrs. Dash, and aluminum foil. With the aluminum foil, we're going to make pockets to cook the chicken breast in. Okay, so I just cleaned or washed the chicken and dried it, and the oven's ready now. And then you're going to get the olive oil, and you're just going to drizzle it right over it. Oops, there we go. And then you're just going to want to flip it, just make sure everything has olive oil on it. This is maybe a little too much. Definitely less next time. And then after you do that, get your seasoning. Just put as much as you want, whatever. And I'm going to do both sides. Back to how they were. Okay, and then I'm gonna basically, right now they're on the foil, and I'm gonna fold it up into like a pocket. So I just finished folding the foil. You just want to make sure it's completely sealed, there's no holes, and that's it. Okay, so now that you have your chicken, it's all wrapped up in the pockets. And if you can, try to make the pockets neater than I did, because a lot of the time you're going to want to check the chicken, and if you didn't fold the foil neatly, it's probably going to rip, and you might need new foil or whatever, and it'd be annoying. So yeah, if you can, try to do it neat. I didn't. I'm not talented. So anyways, just put it in the oven. And then you're just going to want to put those in there to 40 to 45 minutes, depending on how high, I guess how hot your oven gets normally. But anyways, yeah, 40 to 45 minutes, and that's it. Okay, so we just finished cooking them. Now we're going to open them up. Be careful, it's going to be pretty hot. All the steam's coming out. Other than that, they look pretty good. Alright, and this is the final product. I'd cut them open just to make sure that there isn't any pink inside. Other than that, they look good. I just cut them open and they're cooked perfect. So that's it, and I cooked mine for 42 minutes. And that's it, and that's the final product.